Okay guys, this is some of the basil out of my garden, just a little bit of it. But we're gonna take and pull off the leaves that look good. We only want the ones that look good. Fixing to have bad weather, so I'm gonna get off here. But you wanna take all your leaves. We're just gonna do this one stem. I want to show you. This one has the holes, but you can look and see there's none of the bad. But look at this one. See that one? Now I have a lot of leaves, so I'm gonna discard this whole leaf. If you didn't have a lot of leaves, I would just pull off the bad parts. Then you still got a leaf. But like this one, that would just be discarded. Okay, so just pull off the leaves that look usable, that still appear healthy, and just put them in your stack. Now with these, what I would do is pull off any leaf I didn't want. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with these in just a minute, but right now I'm just pulling off the leaves that I don't want off of these. All the rest of them look pretty good. I'm gonna turn you up. I would take and just hang these just like this, where they're just hanging like this in a cool, dark spot, and just let them dry out. And then you can have dried basil, okay? So that's how we do the dried basil. Now, let's go back down here. I've got 2 ice trays. Guys, you can use any kind you've got. But I'm gonna take some of these leaves, get them kind of stacked up together, because you want them kind of in a good little center part when you don't have any bigger. I don't have regular ice trays. Regular ice trays would be by far the best, but I don't have any right now. So then I'm just gonna roll them up just like that. I'm gonna poke them down in there and fill that one with water. Turn them upside down so they don't unravel on you. There we go. Regular ice trays are deeper. You have a little more room to work, a little more room to put stuff. Okay, this time I'm gonna put it where it won't unravel. And then we're just gonna freeze these, guys. Freeze them individual in ice trays, and then once they get good and frozen, we'll take them out and just put them in a Ziploc bag. And then we have fresh basil this way, and then we have dried basil when we take our stems, clean off the bad leaves, and then just tie them up in a cool, dark spot. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to show you. Okay, guys, another way. Say you don't have any ice trays or anything, but you do have freezer bags. We've got a good kind of thick amount of leaves here. Just roll them up. Get you a good pile of leaves. Put your rubber band around it so it doesn't come unwrapped. Just like that. And put it in your freezer bag. And again, cover it with water. And make sure how you stand it. Show you. Go down. Get all that air out. Okay guys, we're back with our frozen basil. I'm just simply gonna take it out the best you can. Some of it gets bent up and it's you know, got the plastic, but that's okay. We're gonna take it out like that chunk of ice we don't need. Oops. Now we've got our basil, and we can just stick it in this other sack. And that's what I'll continue to do with all of this basil and get it out. Like I said, it'll be a little bit difficult, but you just put it in, you know, 1 or 2 sacks instead of having several sacks in your freezer. And then all you do is just take out one chunk of ice when you're ready to use it. Now, for these, you just take them out and put them in a sack to put in your freezer. That way you don't have an ice chest in there with your basil either. And then you just take out one little chunk when you need it. All right, that's how simple it is, guys. All right, love you.